guys, Paul here with Modders Inc. We're here at the Corsair booth at PAX EAST 2018. We're going to go check out some of their software and some of the products they got to show off there. So, let's go.
So welcome to the Corsair booth. Today what we're featuring is our newest software. It's called IQ, and what it does is it integrates all of our peripherals with everything in the system. So what does that mean? What this means is, in this example right here, you can see how lighting is synchronized from our keyboard, mouse mat, mouse, headset stand, headset, strip, fans, case, and cooler. What can it do? Well, it's very simple. Now in our keyboard, what you can do is when you create a lighting pattern, and you use a type lighting ripple, for example, you should be able to see lighting go across all of our devices, to the strips, to the fans. It also works with our newest case, the Spectrum RGB. So you can create all types of lighting across all of our products. You can also use instant lighting, so that you can, with one click of a button, change the brightness or color of the keys and everything all together in unison. We also offer the newest feature called the dashboard. The dashboard allows you to monitor all of your Corsair products from what you were used to in Link in a very modular interface. You can drag things around. You can have things appear or disappear depending on your preference. So right here, I'm enabling the equalizer for our board audio. You can also, if you want to save CPU overspace, close the screen and instead bring up something called what we call Q space. And what Q space does is a minimized version of the tooltip, so that you can actually have on your desktop all the settings that you would normally see on the dashboard, but in a smaller form factor to save CPU usage. It works with anything that Q supports in the past, but now works with our Lighting Pro, our Commander Pro, all of our Pro coolers, all of our light strips, HD, ML, and LL fans.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy the show.
Thank you.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please subscribe to Modders Inc. for more coverage of PAX EAST 2018 from Boston, Massachusetts.